Okay, folks. This might be, I don't know how many parts this might be, but what I'm doing is basically adding some cremini mushrooms to what I added was some shallots and some garlic, a little bit of butter, and you want to add a little bit of extra virgin olive oil. Okay. Hey, and if you don't know what to do, I got some whatever the heck that Verbena. It's like that lemon herb. Oh, it smells so good. I'm gonna put it in. He said put it in salad, so I think we used it in our culinary, but heck, I don't remember, and they didn't pay much attention to me anyway. So, but here you go. I'm gonna put it in there. It's like a lemon. It's a really nice herb. See, I got it at the farmer's market. So it's good to explore with your herbs. So there you herb. I'm gonna put that in there. So, anyways, there you go. Go ahead and probably add a little bit of wine to that, huh? Yeah, this is called cooking. Yeah, yeah. Put a little lemon on that. And that's how you cook. You just become creative. Don't put any blockers. You know, when you're cooking, basically, don't put any blockers. Keep yourself open. Tap into your art side, and you'll come up with some nice creative dishes. Just step out of the box and kind of yeah, you know, don't get stuck in, you know, you can look at recipes and get ideas, but honey, do your thing, because this is about you and your signature dish, what you like to do, and just kind of, and I love Gordon Ramsay. Yeah, I love the way he cooks. Yeah, James Oliver, yeah, I like him, but Gordon Ramsay got my heart a little bit. So anyways, this is what you want to do when you're cooking, okay? So you just kind of step out of the box and just kind of, you know, probably put a little bit more butter to that. Yeah, why not? There you go. Put a little bit more butter. Yeah. I mean, don't be scared. It's a little skin. Take that out. Yeah, and that's going to be a nice sauce that's going to go over the fish. Oh, let's put some more whisk. So I have my potatoes, I have this, then I have my fish that's kind of poaching. So, oh yeah, in my skillet, beautiful. I'm going to add a little bit of rosemary to that, or sage, whatever, and then you want to always taste. So get a little fork if I can find one. Okay, and I gotta find a fork here. Sorry. So you want to take a fork. You want to try it. Try a little piece of it. You know. Oh. My God. That's flavor. That's what you want to do. You want to get some flavor. You want to enhance that fish. And, yeah, you want some flavor in that fish. Yeah, you thought you can cook, honey. I got years on you. Alright. And when you have it, you know what I'm going to do. If I turn that off, that fish is almost done. So I just want to caramelize that just a little bit. May go ahead and add just a little bit more. A little bit of, so I have a little bit of, from my, this is chicken stock, or chicken broth. Go ahead and add that in there. So I always have like some kind of chicken going on, and that has bell peppers, onions, and garlic, a little bit of salt, and bay leaves. That's going to give a lot of flavor to the broth. And you add it over here. Yeah. And then you have a nice sauce. I'm going to try that. Don't be afraid to taste it. Oh yeah. That's got a lot of flavor, honey. So this is what happens when you watch Chef Gordon come up with some outstanding recipes on your own. Because you're just registering all those recipes. I think that's done. Oh, you see how flaky that is? That's how I like my fish. I'm sorry, but that's how I like it. So I'm done. So I'm going to plate this and enjoy. And then I have my little salad. I'm going to add a little vinaigrette to it. And put that on the side. And then with some little red onions, you know, julienne red onions. That's it. And you have a meal. A nice meal. Alright. Talk to you later. I hope that's really easy to make. And yeah, you'll enjoy it. Mwah. Miss my family so much. Love you guys. Bye.